Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute cardio low impact body weight workout. And we're starting with cross-body mountain climbers. Follow along with me. Get down, get ready to do mountain climbers, and go. Cross-body mountain climbers, and all you're doing is bringing your knee to the opposite elbow. Driving. Getting that knee as close to your chin as you can. Don't forget to breathe. I breathe, I think, every other step I exhale, but yours might be different. But dig. Stop and up. High knee climbers. We're going to bring your knees up high, but it's still going to be low impact. Ready, go. High knees from the waist down and ladder climb from the waist up. And this is the speed I go. You don't have to do this speed. You can do it marching. But notice one foot's in contact with the ground at all times to minimize bouncing. Dig. Reach up high. Just like you're climbing. Stop and down T push-ups. You're going to push up and then blade yourself and reach for the sky. Follow along with me. Get ready. Go down and up and reach. Down and up and reach. Ladies, if you don't have enough upper body strength, do this from your knees. But you can do it. Chest to the desk, up and reach. Chest to the desk, up and reach. Exhale as you push off the ground. Inhale as you come back down. Stop and up. Skater jumps. It does say jumps, but we're going to step to the side as far as you can. When I say go and go, step to the side. Take your foot of your back leg, put it behind your knee. Kind of make a figure 4 with your legs. Swing your arms. And you're almost going to stick your thumb in your ear. You're going to swing your arms right across your face. And I'd rather have you have width than speed. Stop and back down. Cross-body mountain climbers. And that's going to be the order. It's not going to change. And go. Cross-body, knee to the opposite elbow. Dig. Fast as you can. Almost like you're running, except you're parallel to the ground. Great for the upper body. You're holding your upper body up, core tight. Stop and up. High knee climbers again. High knees from the waist down, and then ladder climb from the waist up. Get ready. And go. Go at your speeds. There's marching. There's full speed. You don't have to start off marching if you're going to go full speed. But keep that one foot on the ground at all times to minimize the bounce for your knees and ankles. And drive your hands up. I should raise mine up higher. Stop and down. T push-ups. Get ready. Go down and reach and down and reach. Alternating hands. Make yourself a shape of the T as you blade your body when you come up. Stop and up. Skater jumps. Get ready to step sideways and go. The jump is kind of a misnomer because you're just taking a really wide step. So when you take that wide step, there's not going to be any jolting on your knees and ankles, because you're going parallel to the ground instead of perpendicular. Swing those arms. Don't forget to breathe. Stop. Okay. We're going to take a 30-second break. Take a few deep breaths. Stretch it out a little bit. And hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. All right, we're going to get ready for round 2. Stretch it a little bit more. Take a sip of water. 10 seconds. Order's going to be the same. Get down, get ready for some cross-body mountain climbers. Here we go. Go! Knee to the opposite elbow. Dig. Use some speed. Good. Stop and up, high knee climbers. Get ready. Go. Now, I like to pretend like I'm climbing up the side of a building and King Kong is under me climbing up after me. That's how your urgency should be. So climb hard. Get those knees up, get those hands up. And stop and down. T push-ups. Get ready. Go. Down and reach. Down and reach. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you push off. And don't sacrifice form for speed. Have good form on this. Go all the way chest to the desk and up. Stop and up. Skater jumps. Get ready and go. Step to the side. Back foot there behind that knee. Make a figure four with your legs. Swing your arms. Smooth as fast. Try to be nice and smooth. Go for width. Width is better than speed. Great for those thighs as you push off. Stop and down. Crossbody mountain climbers with 2 minutes to go. Get ready. Go. Crossbody. Knee to the opposite elbow. Dig, dig, dig. All the way, all the way. Stop and up. High knee climbers one more time. Get ready to raise those knees, high knees. And go. High knees from the waist down. Ladder climb from the waist up. Climb, climb, climb. Don't forget to breathe. Regular breathing pattern. Oxygen is your friend. Stop and down. T push-ups with a minute to go. Get ready. Go. Down and push up. Chest to the desk. Push up and reach. Down, push up and reach. Good. Keep it moving. Smooth as fast. Good form. Stop and up. Skater jumps. Get ready. Get ready to step to the side as far as you can. And go. Stepping and swinging the arms. Swing that foot behind that knee there. Make a figure four with your legs. Good. Swing. Step and step and stop. Hey, you know, if this workout's not long enough for you, you can rewind it and repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.